If you have a birthday this month, your name's Dan. If you don't, you may sit down. Y'all look at your
Ed
list.
is standing too. It's his birthday this time.
I'll be 26 this morning. They say after 50 you get dyslexia, so I'll be 26 and please. Look at your birthday list and just look around. There are several that are out this morning, so remember them and give them a call. Tell them you missed them this morning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God bless you. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
I won't point out that anniversary.
There is an anniversary too. Which one is it? What number is this? Anniversary?
It's been a bunch. It's been a bunch, eh?
Been a bunch? Well, happy anniversary.
Oh, we had the, let's see, we had the 50th anniversary in 2011.
Praise God.
So we can make it again this
It's 54, Charles.